This is a refuse dump site in Igwuruta, in Igwuruta local government area in Rivers State. What you can see over my shoulder is the smoke from a recent burning of the debris here, and the concern is that some residents have fled their homes owing to the odor from this dump site and the environmental pollution as a result of the burning. Residents say the dump site has created an unbearable situation for them.
We don't know who to meet to tell them more about what is happening, because it's really disturbing us, we the residents here, especially the children. We've been treating cough and diarrhea because of the environmental pollutions.
Sometimes when you are moving like this, fly will be following you up and down. Even the food that you want to eat, fly will be touching and be touching the food that we eat, which is very wrong.
Though some appear to be searching for treasure in the ashes. Residences in the area are under lock and key. We are told that the occupants have relocated elsewhere due to the pollution in the environment.
In the night, you start to have a feeling as if some wires are melting in your house. If you go to the dump site from the road before OPM, there's a dump site there. You will see more than 1,000 tires there. The managers of that dump site is using the tires to burn the refuse, and they usually do this at night. So if you don't have light and you don't have an air conditioner that can filter the air, you will suffocate even as an adult.
A public health physician tells me that the dump site poses serious health threats to the people in the area.
In terms of pollution, waste not properly handled can actually affect human and indeed the environment. So I think the choice of the site of a place to dispose of our waste is very important, such that you must look at making sure that where you dispose of this waste is in what we call in public a leeward end. That is the downside of town, completely out of where people reside.
Our investigation takes us to the premises of the Rivers State Waste Management Agency. The Director of Administration tells Channels Television that the area was not initially residential. He says the agency is looking into the matter.
Incidentally, the dump site along Igwuruta Road has been there for quite a number of years, over 5 years, going to 10 years. We've been operating there even when that place had very minimal presence of residents around it. So today, because of the growing economic activities of that area, including the establishment of schools around that general area, you discover that there's a high increase in population around the neighborhood of the dump site at Igwuruta. And maybe because of the activities that we cannot humanly avoid at times at every dump site, which is the smoke, the smog that we're experiencing at this time. It's nothing new, and I can assure you we are managing it as best as we can.
As the Rivers State Waste Management Agency continues to manage waste disposal in the state, residents of Igwuruta can only hope that something is done as soon as possible to help their plight. Emmanuel Irei, Channels Television News.